Welcome back, it's Chris from the Hagon Factory. As you know, we're up to 1,000 subscribers, which is absolutely fantastic, so we're going to have a giveaway. And keep watching because we're going to have a bit of a recap on things that have happened in the last 7 months of the Hagon Factory. Right, so all you have to do to be eligible to win this prize is subscribe. So we're going to give you another 7 days to get on board. So if you're watching the show and you aren't subscribed, get on board. There's a good chance you might win. So let's have a look at what you could win. If you subscribe, you could win a Gerber multi-tool, the latest VMX magazine, and a Hagon Factory t-shirt. So everyone needs one of these. So get on board. Let's bring Hagons back. Righto, the same as every other week. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, tell all your friends, let's bring Hagons back. Don't forget to subscribe. 7 days you've got, so get on board.